friends, select your vehicle. If you know that reference, please tell me now, because that is a reference of my childhood. But welcome back to half a moto vlog, half a regular video. Even during quarantine, you know, I still gotta get these videos out. But I am social distancing, as you can tell. I'm on my bike. I have no one with me. Even though I'm about to go meet up with someone right now, it's okay because we've already said social distancing. 6 feet, you already know. I had to make sure my camera was actually recording because I couldn't hear it. I pressed record while I started writing. I pressed record right when I started writing, not while I was writing. Wait. Yeah, I was about to take off. I'm like, oh, let me push the record button before it's too late. And of course, by then I already had some gas going. But anyways, on the agenda for today is to just go for a ride. Because sadly, the person I'm meeting up with right now is actually selling her bike. So she wants to get like one video like with her bike. Like, it's not going to be included in this. Like, she wants me to help her record it. So I'm like, okay, I'm down, you know. One last video with your bike. But I told her, I'm like, hey, in the meantime, I'm going to make a video out of this for myself, for the channel. I might as well. I mean, I can't really do much, you know. Like, I've been riding my bike to work and back. I'm an essential worker, in case anyone didn't know. And so I'm stuck riding to work, from work, and then during the week I don't go anywhere. I stay home. If I have to go to the grocery store, that's it. I'll go like maybe once a week if I have to. If not, I'll just stay home. Stay home. But even now, like, we're gonna go meet up and record a video, obviously, but we're not gonna go anywhere where there's a bunch of people. We're just gonna go out somewhere empty, record, wrap it up, and my ass is coming back home to edit this. I have another video to edit because this video will probably go up after that one, but if you watched the previous video before this one, it's about that what the fuck is it called? Okay, the Elgato Cam Link. Elgato Cam Link right now. Before this whole quarantine started, I'm not even joking. Elgatos and Elgato Cam Links were everywhere. You could find them. Where I live, you could find them Best Buy, Target, everyone had them. But ever since this quarantine thing started, you can't find either of them anywhere. I already have an Elgato HD60S. I've had that for a couple years. But I wanted a cam link because I let Swave borrow my webcam. You guys, anyone who watches the videos, you guys know Swave. I let Swave borrow the webcam because he needs it to, it's something to do with his son. I let him borrow that, so I was out of a webcam. I tried using the built-in webcam on my computer, and it sucks. It doesn't suck, it's just, I feel like that thing's only like maybe 15 frames a second, so it's clear, but it's kind of choppy, if that makes sense. So I'm like, you know what? When we were running some emulator games, me and Jerseys were playing Mario 64 online. If you guys never played that, if you never played Mario 64, especially online, you're missing out. But we were playing that online, and while we were doing that, I streamed a little bit of it because I wanted to check something. And if you have an HD60S already, like an Elgato, and you have a camera laying around that you could use, like my GoPro, you could actually run a micro HDMI to your Elgato and use that as a Elgato Cam Link. But obviously it's not going to work when I'm playing other games, like I'm playing my Switch or whatever, you know? Because that's what we were playing. We were playing Mario Kart. I was streaming it on YouTube, and then the video got taken down. It got blocked because I had a song going on in the background. Because of one song, Ain't No Sunshine. That song got my video blocked. But I'm in the process of trimming it out right now, so hopefully that stream video's back up by the time this video's up. Because there's a little option for copyright claims, and you could trim out the section that has the copyright claim, and it was like towards the end of the video, so I didn't really care. Well, towards the end of the stream. So I was like, alright, let me just click trim out. So that's hopefully going to be back up by the time this video's up. Okay, but yeah, so back to what I was talking about the whole cam link thing. See how I talk way too much. This is why I make moto vlogs sometimes. But back to the Elgato Cam Link thing. So I was looking for an alternative, right? And I was like, let me just browse the interwebs and see what I could find. I found the one I ordered. I found it on a couple different websites, but the cheapest price was eBay. And everyone, okay, eBay obviously is like notorious for having like a lot of cheap shit. But eBay, you could actually get OEM things and stuff, like a lot of different things besides just knockoff shit from eBay. And so I was like, alright, eBay had the cheapest price, like 94 bucks for this little box that looks like a cam link. It looked bigger than it was in the picture, like, so when I actually got it, it was about the size of a regular cam link. I'm like, alright, this is cool. Plugged it in, and if you watch the video, you'll know it worked really, really well. I was surprised. Well, I kind of wasn't surprised because it actually did have good reviews, so that's the reason I pulled the trigger on that one. And the Elgato cam link is 130. The little, it was called, I always forget what it's called, Go Fanco Prophecy, and it was like $94 question mark, I think it's what it was. Hey, but it was worth the investment. It worked, and it does work. So now I'm using my GoPro as a webcam, 1080p, 60 frames, and it's nice and buttery smooth. Road closed. They're still having the fucking farmers market even with this quarantine shit? Okay, the county over from mine is complete lockdown. You can't go anywhere unless you really have to. My county is semi the same thing, but you can go out and get exercise and stuff. But look, they're having this shit right now. Like, even with this whole thing going on, why? Why? That's really my only question. Okay, I think I need to make a right here. Don't get hit. Let's go. Probably shouldn't run yellow lights right here because the police station's right there to the right. Oh well, twice in a row on me. Let's go. Okay, I got off topic completely. We're gonna go meet up with my buddy right now. Check out her bike, make a video out of it, and it'll be our first and last video with her bike. I don't know if she's there already. I told her I was gonna be there in like at 12:45, and my clock's ahead. It's shit. I'm late. It's 12:46. My clock says 54, but it's actually 6. Wait, did it say 54? No, it's just 55 now. But my clock's actually 8 minutes ahead. I do that to myself on purpose because in the morning when I'm riding to work, I want to make sure I'm not running late. Because if I always, okay, I'm not a morning person. So when I get up and I look at my clock and it says, if it says like if I start at 8 or 7, if I say I start at 7, if I start at 7 a.m. and my clock says 6:55 and I'm still like 10 minutes away, I'm gonna forget that my clock's ahead. And I'm gonna be like, holy shit, and I'm gonna start gassing. Self-quarantining, don't worry. We're quarantined, as you can see. This is a very empty spot. Peep this. We're trying to record her bike. So we're doing, this is the spot for the final videos of her bike. She's recording. I let her use my camera to record a couple things. Nah, it's a loud truck. And a loud car. Another loud car. I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting. I took a couple pictures. Insert a couple cinematics here before this, whenever they came on. This is it. This is literally the first time I've gone out in shit since this whole thing started over here. I mean, I go to work, I go home, I haven't done anything. Took a little ride to this spot on the beach. Shit. This is it. Let's go bug him real quick. Now if I could just figure out how to get down there, I'll be good. So how much you guys gonna pay me to climb down this thing? It's pretty far, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, for the right amount, I'll do it. I might not come back up, but I'll go down. Flip the hair, give us a hair flip. Give us a hair flip. What? Hair flip, give us the hair flip. This is all for the video right here. This is all going in it. Huh? This is all going in the video right here.
Just think of me my bike too.
Should. I can. You're on the spot right now.
Here. Maybe just me or like that one?
Oh no, it's just you. I'm getting just you in this. I don't need to be in this. Tell me who you are and how long you've been riding.
So my name is Jam.
Yeah.
I've been riding since like 4th grade. Maybe that's like 10 years old.
And now here's the real question. Why are you getting rid of your bike if you've been riding for so long?
It's not because I'm selling my bike, I'm not gonna ride anymore. Sometimes we have to let go of the things we have to let go to have a better one. Like,
You're right. You're right.
yeah.
New bike coming soon?
Huh?
New bike coming soon?
Yeah, probably, but right, I love my bike actually, but sometimes
You're letting it go.
let them go and then get a better one.
What's next?
Maybe 1,000.
1,000?
1,000. Like
One of those! One of those!
So
I don't know if you're ready for that. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for 1,000? Are you sure?
at 1,200.
1,200? I don't know about that. You want to ride mine?
Oh my god!
No.
I can.
Nah,
Not right now.
I ain't gonna let her ride it. That was a trick question to see what you'd say. Oh, you want to get put on the spot too?
Oh no, thank you.
This is life. This is my real life right now. Huh? What are we doing? This is the process. Take that picture. Take that. I know you want to take a picture right now. Your bike. Oh, get it. I should be in slow motion right now. Why am I not doing this in slow motion? Hold on. Flip to the slow.